Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. As all of you know that we are understanding what LibreOffice Writer is, and in LibreOffice Writer, today's topic is about template. So today we are going to learn about how what are the templates and how we can use them, how we can create them, how we can edit them, how we can delete them. So before going to through the topic, we'll first look what are the subtopics in this template. Now first subtopic is creating a document from the predefined template. This is the first subtopic. Second is creating a template, how we can create a template. Third is setting a default template. This is the third sub topic. And fourth is editing a template, how we can edit a template. And last one is deleting a template, how we can delete a template. So without wasting time, we will go through the topic. What is a template, or you may be asked in your exams, or what do you know about the templates and what are templates? A template is a model document that you use to create other documents. For example, we want to create any document, but we don't know about the format of that document, how this document can be created. So there are some models present in this document, in this LibreOffice Writer, which provides us as a guidance, or which provides us a kind of model. Following that model, we are preparing our document. If you still don't understand, don't worry. For example, we want to create any document, but that we don't know about the format of that document. Let me give an example of a resume. When we want to create a resume, but we don't know the format is present in that, how the things are arranged in the resume. So LibreOffice provides us a template. By following that template, this template will guide us all the details present in the resume. We follow that, and in this way our resume gets prepared. So this is the best way how we can follow the template and make our document successful. So all the things that are present in our regular document are present in that very template also, but the template only provides us the guidance, or provides us the format is how the things are arranged in that very document. Let us go through an example. We will understand it by understanding the subtopics. For example, the first subtopic is that creating a document from the predefined template. That we have a template in the LibreOffice and we will use that template. How we will use that, let us understand. Step number one, from the menu bar, there is a menu bar. Okay, you see this is a menu bar, and in the menu bar there is a file option, this file menu. When we click on this, we have new, and here is also new, and then we use template. So click on the file, then to the new, and then there is a template. Last option is templates, so click on this template. So a dialog box will appear, this, and this will give us some sort of templates. For example, we do not want to business letter. There are so many templates, but we have given you an example of resume. Let us do the same. Here is a resume template. Click on the resume template, double click or single click, and then open. Okay, in this way, you see that this template is in front of us, and which gives us provides us guidance. That means here you can see all the options, how we should prepare our resume, your name, address line, address, and all the details. This is Gmail ID, and this is education detail is here. Here is experience detail, and what sort of skills the person has will be present in that very section. So in this way, where what we have to do is to provide the data, and the rest, all the style and all the what we say that all the formatting is present in this document. So in this way, when we fill this, when we fill all the details, it will make a resume. Let us close this. Now this was about the how we can use predefined templates. These are the predefined templates, that means these are present in the LibreOffice. Now coming to the second part, that is how we can create a template by ourselves. That means what we want to create a template, but the template is not predefined, but it should be a user defined. That means we can create, and we can create this template not only in the text document but also in the spreadsheets, drawing and presentation. But this time we are dealing with only the text documents. Let us go through the text documents and understand how we can create a template in the text document. What are the steps? The steps are, we can go through the menu bar, then choose file, then templates, then template, then save as template. Okay, let us go file, menu bar, then file, click on the file, then there is a template. Okay, then there is a save as template. Okay, save as template. But before going through these steps, we should first create any template. In the above steps, we should first create a document, and that document should be saved as a template. To make the document as a template, let us have a new document. For example, this is a new document, and let's make a template. For example, this is just an example. Okay, now what do we have to do? We have to save this as a template. Go through these options, click on the file, then to the templates, and then there's an option save as template. Click on this save as template, and then name that template. For example, this is application application to the principal. Let us name it as school, and save in this my template folder and save. Okay, in this way the template has been saved. Now we will close this. Do not save. Okay, now we'll see that whether our template is present in the predefined templates or not. Click on this new, then templates, file, new templates. Now this is the template that we have created. That means this is a user defined. We can use this. You can see that school template has been created. So if we select this and open, you will see this is the template that we have created. Okay, now close this. Coming to the next topic, that is setting a default template. That means we want to set any template, whether it is a predefined, whether it is a user defined. We can set that template as a default. That means whenever we create any document, or when we open LibreOffice, that very template will automatically open it. If you create a document by choosing file, new and text, normally when we go through the menu bar and then we select a file, then we select a new and text document, there is a kind of document is in front of us, and that very document is called as a default document. So we can change this by going through the steps. For example, going to this menu bar and then file, then templates. Okay, and here is a manage template. Click on this manage template and there are templates. Okay, for example, this school, if we are working in any organization, and we can select this by right clicking on this, and there is an option set as default. When we click in this option set as default option, and this template will be set as a default. That means whenever we open the LibreOffice, this will automatically open, this template will be opened. I hope that you will understand this. We should not go through this setting. Close this, and this was about the setting of a default template. Next is editing a template. How we can edit that the template. Same options are here. I will go through there are so many steps, and you know about this editing. Editing is nothing but to alter the template, is that the templates are present. How we can edit, how we can alter the style, is the content, and all the things that are present in that very template. How we can change them, change those options. For example, how we can change it. The steps are same as in the previous one, that is go through the file and then there are templates, then there is another option manage templates. Click on this, and then these are the all templates that are present in this LibreOffice writer. And to edit any of them, right click on that, and there is an option edit. When we click that, okay, so this was a different template present in the LibreOffice writer, and we can change, we can edit this. For example, if we edit this, and that edited form will be reflected in the template form. Okay, so this was about the editing. Close this. This is about the editing a template, and all the steps are here. Okay, then we have to save. After editing, we have to save also. This was about editing a template. That means how we can edit a template. But remember one thing, that after editing, when we save that file, and when we save that template, when we use this template next time, all the changes that we have done in the editing phase are reflected back next time when we use this template. So this was about editing. Now the last topic about this template is deleting. How we can delete a template. As all of you know that we have created a template, user defined. Let us make this. Let us delete that very template, user defined template. The name of the template was school, if you remember that. So how we can delete that? We just go through the file menu bar, then file menu, and then we select any template, open template. When we open this template, we see that school is here. We just click on this, or right click, then there is an option delete. We can delete this way, or we have another way by clicking on the file, then template, then manage templates. When we click on this manage template dialog box will appear, and there is a school. and there right click on that, and there is delete option. When we delete this, for example delete, there is another dialog which is for the confirmation that do you want to delete the selected template. We will press yes and the template will be deleted. Okay, in this way. Now we'll cancel this. So this was about the template, and in this way this was about the template, and this was the end of this video. Let us meet in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.